Oh,
Sir?
are you sure you're married?
Gusto niyo ho, sir, daling ko ho yung marriage certificate ko?
Mapagkakamala kang dalaga. O sige, Xerox mo na yan and I'll give you other things to do.
Yes, sir,
And
right away.
Irene,
Sir?
coffee, black, no cream, little sugar, half a teaspoon.
Yes, sir.
Irene, ito ang magiging desk mo, no? 10:30 pa magre-report si Mr. Sentejas, pero
ibigyan na lang
expected
kay Sir
ka niya
Bo
mag-umpisa
pagdating niya, ha?
ngayon.
O basta, napirmahan na.
Excuse me, Jocelyn, ikaw na lang bahala mag-orient kay Irene tungkol sa trabaho niya, ha?
Okay.
If there's anything you need, just holler. Leo H. Cordova. I'm always at your service.
Thank you.
Well, if you have any further questions, itanong mo na lang dito sa dalawang Maria, okay?
Ako
I'm
si Maria
sure.
Makiling. Pagdating sa boys, walang kinikilingan. Okay silang lahat sa akin.
Ako naman si Maria Sinukuan. Lahat ng lalaki, suko sa gaso sa akin.
Ako ang pinakamatino sa lahat ng mga binatang empleyado dito.
Talaga? Ako naman may asawa at anak.
Ganun ba?
Oo.
Sige. See you later.
Sige.
Hapon na kung minsan dumating si Sir Red. Kaya masanay ka na umuwi ng gabi.
Gabi? Hindi ba hanggang alas 5 lang tayo dito?
Siyempre, makakaalis ka ba doon kung andun pa boss mo, no?
Naku, hindi ka pa kakawalan nun hanggat hindi mo natatapos ang trabahong pinagagawa niya.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
Sandali lang, ha? I'll wash my hands. Excuse. Cynthia, magdi-dinner ba tayo?
Ayoko nga. Baka sabuyan pa ako ng asido ng girlfriend mo, ha?
Meron pala kayong bagong kasama. Ba't di nyo man lang ako pinapakilala?
Irene, si Anton. Anton, si Irene.
Hi.
Ganyan naman talaga yung mga kaibigan ko eh. Pag maganda kasama, tinatago nila para masolo nila ako. Sige, baka nakaka-istorbo ko sa lunch nyo. Eh, hindi naman ako magpapalibre. Sige ah.
Ba't ka naman namin ililibre? Dapat nga, ikaw pang magtitreat sa amin sa labas,
Sige,
eh.
pagsweldo na lang. Sigurado yun.
Kailan niya kaya ginawa yun? Payday. Yabang-yabang nito, kuripot naman.
Good afternoon, sir. You wanted to talk to me? I'm your new secretary, sir. Is there anything I can do for you?
Yes? You're Irene. Irene Alvarado.
Yes, sir.
You're married.
Sir?
Mirna told me you're married.
Yes, sir, I'm married, sir. No, I was married. Yes, sir, I'm still married.
Well, you certainly don't look like one. Have these Xeroxed. Then, you ask Jocelyn to, you know Jocelyn, don't you?
Yes, sir, I do.
You ask her to teach you how to operate the fax machine. You know about fax machine.
Fax? Yes, sir, fax.
Good. Then, long distance to Sydney. You get in touch with Mr. Campbell. You tell Mr. Campbell that the documents will be ready by late next week, and you're still with me, Irene Alvarado, my very much married secretary.
Yes, sir, I am.
Good. Oh,
Sir?
are you sure you're married?
Gusto niyo ho, sir, daling ko ho yung marriage certificate ko?
Mapagkakamala kang dalaga. O sige, Xerox mo na yan and I'll give you other things to do.
Yes, sir,
And
right away.
Irene,
Sir?
coffee, black, no cream, little sugar, half a teaspoon.
Yes, sir.